Hey guys, I'm now walking and pauwi na ako sa bahay. Ayan. Oh. The time is 11:53 something and I'm walking pauwi sa bahay from work and from breakfast. Grabe no? Ito pala yung lifestyle ng isang panggabi na working ability. Look at my outfit. Oh. Tingnan niyo yung pants ko, di ba? Perfect. How does it look? Di ba? Naka-invento ng ganitong outfit na pants na baggy. Ganitong